Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel PSC Confidence Booster. Here we see another 25 multiple choice questions related to DC motor. Then let me start. Question number 1. The DC motor that draws almost same power at different loads is. Answer is option C, series. Question number 2. In case of DC shunt motors, the regenerative braking is employed when the load. Answer is option A, has an overhauling characteristic. Question number 3. The armature current of a DC shunt motor under the condition of development of maximum power will dash full load current. Answer is option A, more than. Question number 4. The speed of a cumulatively compounded DC motor can be controlled by varying. Answer is option D, any of the above. Question number 5. In a DC compound motor, the series field in comparison to shunt field will have. Answer is option C, less turns of thick wire. Question number 6. In Swinburne's test of determination of efficiency of a DC shunt machine, the no-load input power supplies. Answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 7. If the series field of a cumulatively compounded DC motor is short-circuited, then the speed will be. Answer is option B, more than full load speed. Question number 8. When the torque of a DC series motor is tripled, the power approximately increases by. Answer is option C, 75%. Question number 9. A DC shunt motor may have rising speed torque characteristics due to. Answer is option C, very high demagnetizing armature reaction. Question number 10. What Leonard control is basically a dash control method. Answer is option A, armature voltage. Question number 11. A DC shunt motor is operating at no load. If the armature is shunted by a resistance, its speed will. Answer is option C, remains the same. Question number 12. The power mentioned on the nameplate of an electric motor indicates. Answer is option D, the output power available at the shaft. Question number 13. In a synchronous motor, the magnitude of stator back EMF EB depends on. Answer is option A, DC excitation only. Question number 14. If a DC motor is connected to AC supply, it will dash. Answer is option D, burn due to heat produced in field by eddy current. Question number 15. The type of DC motor generally used for shears and punches is. Answer is option C, cumulative compound motor. Question number 16. The possible resistance of the shunt field winding of a DC machine is. Answer is option C, 200 ohm. Question number 17. Which of the following is not the effect of armature reaction? Answer is option D. It causes heavy load current. Question number 18. The direction of rotation of DC shunt motor is reversed by. Answer is option A, reversing armature reactions. Question number 19. If the field of a DC shunt motor is opened. Answer is option C, the speed of the motor will become very high. Question number 20. The compensating winding will connected in. Answer is option A, series with armature. Question number 21. In a DC motor, constant torque is produced due to. Answer is option A, commutator. Question number 22. The core losses in a DC motor occur in. Answer is option D, both the armature and pole faces. Question number 23. Pole of a DC machine is made of dash. Answer is option A, wrought iron. Question number 24. For non-reversing DC drives, the electric braking preferred is. Answer is option C, dynamic braking with separate excitation. Question number 25. In a DC machine, without interpoles to have good commutation, the brush shift must be. Answer is option C, varied with the changing load.